Hello everyone, for this tutorial video, I'd like to explain how to figure out surface area that uses polar functions as its input rather than rectangular functions or parametric curves. In particular, we remember the integral for the surface area is the integral of 2 pi times arc length times y if we are doing a rotation around the x-axis, or times x if we are doing a rotation around the y-axis. And we plug in what we found for arc length in the last video, which would be the square root of r squared plus change of r over change in angle squared, and then everything in the square root times change in angle. Now that we have figured out how to find the surface area of polar functions rotated around an axis, we can move on from special functions, whether parametric, polar, or otherwise, and toward the final type of 2D calculus, which is the calculus of series, which can also be used to estimate functions, as we will see. Don't forget to subscribe if you found this video informative, and make sure to see other tutorial videos, and follow me on either Facebook or Twitter for more content.